Ostracized Trina Suchan of Lama village in East Janta Hills has appeared before the Additional Deputy Commissioner of East Janta Hills and has clarified her position of filing an FIR relating to financial irregularities while implementing the NERGS in the village. Lama village Dorbar has fined Mrs. Trina Suchan of 5,000 rupees for filing an RTI relating to construction of footpaths, pineapples and betel nut schemes and airing her grievances against Dorbar before the Deputy Commissioner and BDO of East Jata Hills district. When she refused to pay the penalty, she was ostracized by the Dorbar, wherein the residents of Lama village were instructed not to have any association with her, including purchasing of food items from her shop. During the meeting with the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Mrs. Suchan was willing to compromise with the Dorbar, but she would not pay the penalty, as she has already incurred huge amount of money from the closure of her shop.
Utau sekretari VEC om don kam khot pi kum kashnong pim la mo ban ye kren tang kata Hasan Hajar kat kashnong om la ban lekpan mo ta pisah kum ta ye kren ha po Dorbar nang tapat on dadep na hata tau kashnong ka om to andami no Dorbar sekretari chnong bat orang ba chnong kin lekpan ye itai pisah na iko nanga tandami Dorbar tau lo jong ngar ye thu Baya kata kafan mengabat RTI kifan yang Hasan Hajar tengah amai balai kim khot yang mo ngan yok keren pot Dorbar ke kum kata lada de ke bangan siu ngaru ngak loy ban siu lada amde ke ban siu kum no ngan siu nang ta andami Dorbar nang ta to sekretari bat orang ba snong pipoi ha dukan bangadi po snong pipoi hang ta teki onynya pe pha hap siu ka to ka Pisah Hasan Hajar balabu ke snong bapin pale RTI tengah ong mai mengali RTI pipanya ngam wong em bangi yelek tengah ong abang ada be ong shwaya pi orang basno pe lakot ADC yang ngam magistri banwan chopo DC ban kan banyatu ban batai halor kane ke RTI jong kini kijinglap jongnya tenang tapat ngada biatu ya pi kumrang basno ada pilong komiti ada hano ma ban pelong lepa yang ngam don kam ba pilong pelong da ka ba long hi ta sakot yang ngam bangan ya tu ipi na mar ngasiu tu ADC sakot ipi kum kerang ba sno ban saki ya kane mut kita ke lai mut kin fan yang ngasi hajar we ba kali ban bai lek jongki lai hajar ta ya ukta pat baki ong ile ya ukhau na armut timut ar hajar ta san hajar pi nga katangan katnya na mar ngada de tu ipa lepa chwai pi aba chwa bangan le ikini jam ngal pentip ipi kum kasnong kala pen I ipi kum kasnong belai pat pi sngap la ka sngap pim le ta ba phau magistri haba don kam cho office haba ngan ya thu hok paki pi hap se ma pi ngaro bangan le nya sing mangate na mar ma bakat ne ngala kajing bam sap kajing bam sap kajing ja no pisah posnong jong ka skim chispa smi belai pat pi sngap na marngi kum ke pajba ta ni tre ni kta ya ka job ka jispa smi tamba ka san pat jong ni mi yo man san ni tip mano ba san ni kumastarol